Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 20th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we didn't have a terrible day today, but we still lost some money. I don't know what else to say. Uh, but it was, if I could just put that aside, it was kind of an interesting day today. The Dow, you're looking at the Dow chart here, and the Dow lost over 700 points yesterday, and I made some comment that you know is this the beginning of the crash that I've been feeling is coming? Uh, but today the Dow goes up 550 points, which pretty much erases the damage from yesterday. And about all I can say is, how do you trade a market that goes down 700 points one day and up over 500 the next? And that makes for some pretty difficult trading. Uh, on top of it all, was a little bit weird today that I got so disgusted with the portfolio. I told you yesterday. I think we had 24 consecutive losing trades in a row, and I was just totally disgusted with that portfolio. So I over the weekend I developed a new portfolio, put that out to my customers last night, and we'll start trading it tomorrow. Well, I took 40 out of the 50 stocks in the portfolio out, dropped them, and I didn't want to be getting into any of those 40 stocks I dropped today, being as I start the new portfolio tomorrow. So I was only buying in 10 stocks today. And so that resulted in us not doing as much trading as would normally have happened today with the Dow up 550 points. Anyway, so regardless, yeah, the whack-a-moles were out in force today. We had 8 positions coming in, and we were neutral yesterday on those. On the close, we were positive, I think, up around 6,000 on the open this morning, and the whack-a-moles drove that down to negative 5,000 on our exits. So we were negative 5,000 on our exits. We got into only 3 positions. Again, I was only trading 10 stocks rather than 50. So I got into 3 positions today, 2 positive, 1 negative, but we are positive over $4,000 on those 3 positions. So, we had a pretty good day as far as our entries, given the small amount of actual trading we were doing. And again, the Dow up 550 points today. I'm going to show you the stock that really ticked me off today, and it's a perfect illustration of my whack-a-mole theory of stocks. That is, there are hedge fund managers mostly who are making a lot of money by shorting stocks that smaller investors are buying, and they drive those prices down. They get together, they gang up, and they push those stocks down. This is one of the stocks we are trading. We're trading today. It's SPRT support.com Incorporated. This thing, we had bought this yesterday. We bought this yesterday at the beginning of the day. It closed yesterday, actually slightly negative, but it just exploded this morning the first half hour. And when this spike, up here on top of this spike, we had over $12,000 in profits in this. And I'm thinking, woo-wee! Yeah, And what did they do on the high of the day, the top of this spike? They call a trading halt. It was a fairly long trading halt. And that's the thing they've been doing lately to stop runaway upside moves in the stocks, because the hedge fund managers, they make all their money shorting, and so something gets runaway going up, they lose a lot of money. But by calling a trading halt, they can kind of get together, decide what they're going to do, and I'm sure what they did this morning after they called a trading halt on the high of the day is they just shorted the hell out of this and pushed it back down. And by the time we got out, we went from being up $12,000 here to getting out positive 2,000. So we saw $10,000 evaporate, in my opinion, because of a trading halt. And it just totally disgusts me. I did post this on the internet, and I hope maybe I got some attention. I doubt it though. But it's just, to me, it's dirty pool. It's pure stock manipulation, and you know you can bet that the SEC isn't going to do anything about it. They're in bed with these guys anyway. Okay, the one trade that did go quite well for us, and this is AMC again, AMC Entertainment, and this stock has been the nemesis of the hedge fund managers, because the Reddit guys and everything push it up and take out those shorts that the hedge fund managers put. And that happened today. We had a good breakout about 3 hours in. We bought it, and it kept moving there. In spite of the little pullback here at the end, we are up $7,000 in AMC Entertainment. So this stock went very well for us. Anyway, tomorrow, brand new portfolio. I am optimistic that maybe we'll have a little better luck with that than we have had recently with the first July portfolio. We're starting the second July portfolio tomorrow, and I'll see you then.